Welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. So we're coming into spring. So I wanted to basically bring in a whole message on spring equinox. So right now it's winter. Winter is hibernation time, cave time. It's a time to relax and lay back. And for the hair, it's not a time to grow new hair at all. So I have my 4 seasons in my routine. I've been doing that for decades. So in the fall, I basically start cutting my hair less and let it grow in. In the summer, I cut my hair really, really short. And then in the fall, I let it start coming back in. In the winter, I let it get longer. In the winter, it doesn't grow new hair. That's what I'm making a big point about, because when spring comes, you can see nature, boom, right? It's an explosion. Where I live in California, the daffodils and the wildflowers are just everywhere. It's so beautiful. Seeing the buds on the trees, seeing all these new sprouts coming up from the ground. Same energy for our hair. Exactly the same. We're part of Mother Nature. This is 100% natural, Mother Nature, organic. So the hair is the same thing. It's nice and quiet for the winter. I don't expect my hair to have any new hair growth. I'm basically just in maintenance mode. So now, March 17th, March 18th, March 19th are your best dates to cut your hair. Really into the thickening process. So to get prepared for that, I suggest you can do a Zen detox. That would be a nice way to get ready to do your cut. What I do in the spring is I cut my hair the shortest I cut it for the whole year. So I will cut the top almost into a crew cut. So the people who shave, that would be the ultimate day, would be one of those 3 days, March 7th, 18th, or 19th, would be the ultimate day to shave your scalp, the whole head. Or I cut mine very short. But you want to send this message down into the roots, down into the growth pattern. The message is, shock, 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 shock the roots and start producing new hair. So what will happen, guaranteed, unless you're doing some horrible chemical treatments, the whole hairline will start showing fuzz within 1, 2, 3 weeks from when I cut my hair. This whole hairline is going to start showing right in here, a lot of fuzz. But we don't realize that that's going through the whole top of our head right into the crown. So we don't see it. But if you could part your hair, you see little baby hairs all throughout the whole top of the head. So you really want to take care of that fuzz. You want to use either your organic oil in here, you want to use one of the elixirs into the hair. This all new baby hair, and you don't want to be in the sun and burn it off. So that's happened to a lot of my clients. They get all this brand new fuzz, they get all this baby hair. They go to a swimming pool, and they go out on the beach, and they go hiking without a hat, and they burn all the new hair, all the new fuzz, cindered out, and they get a sunburn. That would be the worst thing you can do. So this is spring energy, tremendous explosion of energy coming in from all directions. So we're going to take advantage of that. So I've always trained all my hair clients that in the spring, on the spring equinox dates, cut your hair as short as you dare for the whole year. Then I keep that pretty short, let it grow in a little bit more, not that much. I keep cutting it like once every 4 weeks. Yeah. Summer, I let it grow in a little bit more, but I keep it short. And then in fall, we allow it to start growing back. And in winter, full, let it grow as long as it wants. We want to really be aware of the energy and the thickening, strengthening, the root work. Products that we recommend, especially for the thickening process for spring, is Earth Shampoo. We're doing the floating lotus conditioner. Then we have the shampoo bar. So if you're out and about, like when I go to the gym, I have outdoor swimming pools I go to, I take the shampoo bar, and that's really an easy way to shampoo. Very, very economical. For spray, I suggest using the volumizer spray, gets the hair to thicken up. And then again, of course, Zen detox. I would really do that right before the cut. And if you forget, do it right after the cut. Go to our YouTube, go to our videos, watch how to use these products. Get ready for spring. And again, I'm highly recommending as short as you possibly dare, I wish you the healthiest, happiest, and most strong Spring Equinox 2024. Let's make it happen. So put that in your calendar, get your products ready. Let's be healthy, happy, and strong. And I want to see a lot of thick, thick, thick hair coming in for all you Morocco Method fans. We love you. We really are so appreciative. So much gratitude, keeping our company the most natural hair care company in the world, Morocco Method International. Comments below, send in your questions and answers. Love to answer questions. Our health is our wealth. Let's make it happen.